Why does ChatGPT suddenly get lazy and forget everything you just told it? You didn't break the AI, you hit the context window.
So you get a context window. So you have
Okay.
200,000 tokens here. Now, right now, you are at that much tokens. Now,
Correct.
what happens is once that pops up and starts saying you're here, AI has a thing called context anxiety, which means that as it gets to this yellow mode, it starts going, ooh, I'm running out of context. I need to start getting shorter responses. I need to try and get to the end of it, like get to the point. It's like its attention span. And then once it gets into the red, it starts to do what's called auto compaction. So it starts compacting the conversation. So what's your
Okay.
favorite movie?
Inception.
Inception. You picked the hardest fucking movie.
I'm sorry.
Think of
How about
another one.
Interstellar? Interstellar.
Okay, Interstellar. So in the middle of that movie, it's going to start forgetting the fact that when he left, his daughter was noticing her toys falling off the shelf, which
Yeah.
is a
Yep.
huge part of the movie, but it only matters at the end because it's when he's hitting the books, right? So it only matters at the end of the movie. So if you hit the thing on the shelf and the toy falls off, you don't have that aha moment because when it was compacting the context, it was like, oh, that was just a weird thing that happened. A toy fell off a shelf. That's why it literally has to remind you in the movie. So this is what I mean by context compaction. And so you have this context window, and each session lives on as its own individual thing. It's like it has a 200 IQ, but it wakes up with amnesia.
This is a context window, right? So if I open another one, that would be a separate context window, correct?
Yes,
Okay.
but then it is only aware of
Of
what's
what's
in
happening.
here. It is not
Okay.
aware of what's happening in here because this is like writing a CD on
Right.
Claude's computer. Like this CD is only aware of itself. The next CD that you write is only able to access the same unified file set, or they might call it a runtime, right?
Right.
So it's aware of this. So that's why we create a file called Claude.MD, because Claude.MD preloads at the top of this every new session you ever open inside this folder. It looks at Claude.MD to say, what the hell am I? And that's pre-written into Claude's brain. So it says, whenever you open up a new session, check if the place that you are contains a Claude.MD. And now if you were using ChatGPT or many of the other tools, the default is agents.md. And if you were using this in anti-gravity, right, because you could open this folder up in anti-gravity and it would look at for Gemini.md. So you usually tell it to clone these files so that they're the same.
Yep.
So if you fill up your context window, you have to make sure that by the time you get to here, you are creating something that is going to lead you back to here. You have to leave yourself a breadcrumb.